So that holds the batteries in place while I'm riding. It did come with like a metal bar that's supposed to do the same thing, but it would require more tools to take it on and off. So this was like my makeshift solution. I'm using this to cut the Velcro. It's gonna be really hard to get the toy motorcycle down because we are on the second floor. If you saw yesterday's videos, someone did help me get it up. But most people have checked out by now because I asked for a 30-minute late checkout. So it's just me. Hopefully I'm strong enough to do this. This thing is so heavy. The toy motorcycle is now downstairs. Come on, Travel Lodge. We have 13.5 miles to get to the biggest event of Bike Week. So I'll see you guys in the next one.